Post-construction window cleaning is a critical final step that demands more than a simple cleaning crew. It requires expertise to safely remove stubborn debris like paint, stucco, and mortar without scratching or damaging new glass. This is where Clarity Window steps in. Our team specializes in this meticulous process, utilizing professional-grade, non-abrasive tools and techniques specifically designed for post-construction environments. We understand the value of your new build and the importance of a flawless, damage-free finish. Our commitment to safety and precision ensures that every window is not just clean, but flawlessly restored to its intended clarity. By choosing Clarity Windows, you're partnering with a reliable professional team dedicated to revealing the true beauty of your project and ensuring that your final presentation is nothing short of perfect.